we go. Daddy getting ready.
It's okay. There's gonna be a bone. Bone.
Almost tired. 4th of July, almost 100 degrees, and I got a cold. Alright, here's a bunch of goodies. And the bigger stuff. Let's rock.
Looky, we got lots for both of you today.
Okay.
Yeah, let them do their sparklers and then that's about right.
You want to do a sparkler?
Put your drinks on the table.
Put your drinks over here, Rachel. Or put your drink in the holder.
Okay.
Put your drink over here. Hold it.
Okay.
Just wait.
All right, let's go down there.
Yay!
Prepare to light them.
Huh?
You want to light them, use this.
Okay. Can you take some pictures of the kids then? Rachel, get up.
Daddy.
Come here, Sam. Turn around and show Daddy on the video.
Rachel, look.
Stay apart from each other.
Rachel.
No, Rachel, get away from Mommy.
Rachel,
Rachel.
Rachel, turn around.
Rachel, look.
Look at Daddy.
Over here.
look, Rachel. Over this way. Show Daddy.
Here.
Rachel, look at.
Oh, that'll keep you mosquitoes. That's good. Yeah, stay away from each other.
Rachel, turn around and look at.
Back over there.
Back up, Sam.
some. Don't get so close.
Back up a little more.
Does she have it? Hold it far enough down there?
No. Rachel, no. Rachel, hold it. Hold it right here. There you go. Now go. Show Daddy. Hold it up.
Yay!
Dang it.
I gotta get my other camera. This one ain't working.
Is that better?
Well, stay away from me.
Okay. All right, put that one down. You want another one? Okay, cool. Don't go too hard. You're gonna make it go out again.
Yay!
Batteries on these junk cameras or what? This one isn't working either.
Hold on, baby. Put
All
the
right.
stick down.
Put the stick down and just wait.
Wait, Sam.
I wish they would have left her.
Hold on, it's not done. Then let Mommy see. Sam, don't let him go.
Don't do it while they're out there.
Well, I ain't gonna hurt them.
I gotta do nothing, Ma.
Up to her feet.
Leave
Oh,
it.
wow.
Wait till it's
Look
done.
at there's some over there.
Yeah, big ones over there. I don't like the big ones very well.
Oh, she put it out again. Oh, there it goes.
Good girl, Rachel.
Why do you keep on saying that for?
I don't care. Robert's the one with the fire.
Oh, Wendy, you, yeah, nobody else.
No, them.
Why didn't we have pool sparklers like this when we were little?
Really?
I want you to burn your ass up.
Are you done?
You're still going, Sam.
You're doing
Up, Rachel.
Turn around, Mommy will get it.
Rachel, let's see.
Look at Daddy.
Rachel, look. Hi.
Hi, baby.
You're almost done now. Stop chasing Mommy with it.
Come here, Rachel. Come on, Rachel. Up here more.
Where are you going? You run. You run. All done. Oh, Sammy, don't.
Sam! Watch
About 2
out.
seconds from both of you.
Yeah, look at the fire burning there. Come by Sammy.
Yeah. All done.
So because it's stuff on fire, we got to tape it.
Yeah.
Tell Uncle Carl bye-bye.
No, I want that for bugs. I
Um,
know. A whole bunch of
I
them.
got a couple smoke bombs actually.
Ooh, somebody else is doing fireworks
Yeah,
too.
kids on the corner.
Oh no, damn them.
Damn cute.
Okay. You got it recording?
Whatever you say, it's on film now.
Mommy, me and Rachel switched chairs.
Why you wanted to do the pinwheel and everybody has to stand up, see that?
Robert.
No, I got a good view.
Nah, with the car in the way, you ain't.
Just sit there, baby.
Nope, sit down. Sit down so you can watch the fireworks.
Well, I can see it from here.
Rachel.
Tree here.
Yeah, stand up so you can see it's the other side of the car here.
Oh.
Stand up, Sam. Now, what's he doing? You watch Daddy.
A pinwheel that he put in there, but then he moved the car in front of it.
Oh, can't even see it here. Sam,
Gotta
stand up so
stand
you can
up.
see this. Come on.
Come over here.
Come on, Sam. What are you waiting for?
Christmas.
There
Yeah.
it goes. There it goes.
Look on the tree. Wow, pretty.
Good nail.
Blew off.
Stay up here.
Ah, boy, too bad couldn't you afford a nail?
Wow.
Get some nails.
That would have been a good one.
All
Look up over there,
done.
over the
Okay.
trees. You'll see fireworks every once in a while, too.
And just other people setting off.
That would have been a neat one, too.
Do you want a bigger flashlight, Robert?
No, it's okay.
I got one in the car.
Uncle Carl's gone now, baby. All right. We gotta watch
Yeah,
Daddy now, okay? So you guys sit still.
Yeah, do a couple smokers.
Okay.
Look at, see it up there?
Look. Somebody else's pretty fireworks.
That's where I was going with that little
Oh,
piddly
I bet
thing.
you that's the guy in the corner.
Yeah, it's got it.
See him, Sam? Oh, this sure does not sound nice, well. Oh, sounds like it's farting.
I'll hold that. Okay, baby.
Yeah, we know.
Okay?
Rachel.
What was that? It's a smoke bomb.
The red one.
It was the firework.
Robert,
Good,
why aren't you
so
doing
far.
them out in front?
It's all blowing back to you.
Mama, Daddy.
Rachel, stay up here.
Daddy. 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 Daddy.
No, I mean over in front where, straight ahead of us here.
Smoke. It's black outside. You're not going to see the smoke.
Yeah, forget it.
Sit, Rachel.
Look, guys.
You see the stars? Now watch Daddy now, okay?
Couple
Here
out
goes.
there.
Daddy. Daddy.
Watch Daddy. Stay up here.
Daddy. Daddy, go. Daddy.
Camera going.
Hey,
Here it goes.
here goes Rachel. Yay! Yay! Yeah, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy.
Yay! Yay!
Okay, you guys gotta kind of sit down so I can get pictures.
You need a street.
Okay. Mom!
Yes, the moon, I know.
Mom!
Hi, moon.
Oh, look at Rachel. Here goes another one.
Daddy!
Rachel, get over here.
Go, Daddy! Go, Daddy!
Sam.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yay, Daddy.
Wow, I had plenty of
Daddy,
woodland.
new chair. Rachel, sit by me.
Put your chair over here. Maybe move their chairs up a little closer.
Here. Sit right there, baby. Just sit down right there. In the chair, not in the... You about fell.
Here it goes. Watch.
Sam, why don't you sit in this chair where you can see a little better?
Oh, there goes another one over there.
That was a nice one there. That was expensive though.
Those are what?
They're a little expensive.
Papa!
Next year we'll get some.
Papa!
Why?
Papa!
Why?
I did that, Papa.
Oh, yeah.
Where it goes?
Here it
There it
goes.
goes.
Look
What?
at Watch out, Rachel.
Rachel, get back here.
What day is it?
Happy 4th of July.
My date would just quit changing on my phone. Go ahead. Why? I changed it already about 4 times. Gotta do it again today. Ooh. Sam, don't put that there.
Rachel juice?
Sam, don't put that there.
Rachel, there you go. We'll say Happy 1st July.
Still trying to get it. You stay sitting down, Rachel.
Sit, Rachel.
That's mine.
Now sit there. Okay. Then get up there.
She's not going to be able to see anything. Sam, sit. Hurry up.
Your turn for what? You want to sit on Mommy's lap? Well, sit in the other chair.
Yeah, we get to see him over here anyhow.
Okay, watch, girls.
There we go.
Go, Mommy. Yay, we did
There's
it!
a rocket ship going in on
Say Happy 1st July.
4th of July.
Fourth.
July. Let's see it this time. Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Go, Daddy. Sit, Rachel.
Sit down, Rachel.
Happy 1st
Look it.
July.
Ooh, that's
Oh,
pretty.
look at the pretty blue.
July.
You know the blue is the hardest color for them to get is blue.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Yeah, that's a neat one there.
Oh, that's a good one.
You like that?
Yeah, that's a good one there, right? What was that?
What was that one called?
It's called Cool.
Yeah, that's what. Then we buy that at the tent.
We
Yeah,
get
that was a
to
neat
see
one. That was
it
all right.
when Dad goes to work.
Yeah. But as soon as we get done, you gotta go to bed.
Daddy!
Stay here, Rachel.
You want to sit on Mommy's lap, baby?
Happy 4th of July!
I say Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day! Yeah.
That's cool.
Hey. What?
I better we had a slab of cement. Yeah.
Let's do another one.
Come on, hold your cup.
Ow, 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 ow.
I did bring a
Ow,
cup
ow,
today.
ow.
It's in
Oh,
that
that's
bag.
all right.
Ow,
Quit hitting yourself,
I
bed.
just figured as long as I was right out there and right at the cabinet and everything, just
You
get him
definitely
something
need a bath tomorrow.
out here.
Okay. No poopy in the pot.
Those cools are good. We already have one cool. Yeah. Ah, boy, we should buy.
Happy Cactus Day!
Oh, that's a good one.
Independence Day.
Happy Pendence Day!
Independence.
Independence.
Kind of short.
I'm sorry.
Or Happy July 4th.
Independence Day.
Say Happy July 4th.
Okay, that's a good idea.
You are all sweaty.
Man, I gotta take a whiz.
Are you boogery?
Oh,
Rachel.
Today was one of my mom's sister's birthday.
Oh.
Edith, the little one that Dennis always teases.
Daddy!
Come on, baby.
Now we can take that for Great Grandma and Cece.
What, baby?
Say Happy July 4th, Cece.
Daddy!
Say it.
Daddy!
Say Happy July 4th.
Daddy's over
Cece.
here.
Huh? Happy 4th of July, Cece! Now she can hear.
Yeah, but it's Happy July 4th. It makes it easier to say.
Rachel,
What's the
here
matter,
it goes.
baby?
Oh, watch Daddy. Watch Daddy.
Turn
there.
around. Watch Daddy. What, baby?
What's the matter? You want to come up here? Okay, hang on.
Watch in the sky.
Watch. Watch in the sky, Rachel. Watch it out. Whee, look at it there. Whee!
Yay!
What? Yeah?
It's gonna go to the moon. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go that far, baby. Do you see stars?
Where's the stars? Do you see? You point to one of the
Twinkle,
stars?
twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond
Whoa,
in the sky. Ow! Boom!
that was cool.
Oh, twinkle,
Little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay!
Can we see another one?
That was off of one stick, Robert?
nah, that was two.
Oh, okay.
2. God made everything, Mindy. That's why you go to
Okay, watch. Here goes.
Whoa.
Oh,
Yeah, you like that? Come back down. Must be the pile driver.
We used to go over by Lane's on 4th of July, and then at a park they have fireworks. We were so close you could feel the ground move every time they went off.
Yeah, that's what Robert. I remember that first year.
Did it?
Both of us had to work
Yeah.
at Little Caesars that day.
Well,
And we went over to your house and sat there on the porch. That was before all that rest of the COVID
Here
stuff
goes
was
Rachel.
up.
uh-huh.
There it goes.
And watched Aurora and Oswego at Montgomery and everybody
Yeah.
right there on your porch.
Every once in a while you can see them right from in the house. Like even upstairs you can see a better view out the window.
Yeah.
But and every year somebody called on the neighbor. Every time.
What's happening there?
I think they knew the neighbor's voice. Here it goes. Get ready. Watch, Rachel. Watch. Here it goes. Watch. Hurry.
Up,
Watch.
up.
Ready?
Watch.
Yeah.
Dad.
Cool.
Better watch that one.
That one was called the Papa.
What was that?
Super rocket.
Ah, those ones that
Get
kept
that
falling
again.
apart.
Yeah.
Forget those.
Maybe we can get another one, Robert.
Oh, Sam, you don't even know what you're talking about.
But how about we do the popcorn one?
No,
Not yet.
that's at the end.
That's a biggie.
That's at the end. Wonder what it does.
We just have to wait.
That
I'll
will
be able to see the fireworks tomorrow night when I get off work.
Oh, yeah.
go, Becky.
Another dud.
No, the punk went out.
That one like the one you had to kind of put together again? Oh, you tired, sweetie? What's the matter, baby? You got something in your eye?
Wanna come sit on mommy?
Want to have mommy check it out? Because I don't know how you are with things like that. Go by mommy, honey.
Come here, baby.
See, mommy check your eye.
No, I think she was just. No, yours is right here. Yours is right here. Yours is right here. No, that one's Sammy's. Yours is right here. No, she's just tired. Rachel, stay up here.
Rachel?
Okay, watch,
No.
Rachel. Hopefully.
Can't see Rachel.
Come here, baby.
Guess she wants
Pump
Robert.
dial.
But what about popcorn?
It's at the
We're going to
end.
do the popcorn one at the end.
Just shush.
Are you using the fat ones?
Yeah, well, the thing is what? We'll use that bottle.
I thought we weren't supposed to be getting bugs.
You want a towel?
Well, flip it over, use the other side.
Rachel, let's go. Let's gotta go.
Yeah, flip it over, use the other side of the metal.
You okay?
Yeah. Just the bugs are getting here every once in a while. It's like, oh.
There is no bug.
No, they're getting me.
Come here, babies.
Little
Come
natty
here, babies.
things.
Come here. Come sit on mommy.
Oh.
Yeah, be time to go to bed.
What? I can see okay, honey.
That's why we let her nap late.
Yeah. Oh, she is tired.
That's why maybe she wouldn't make it till 11.
Sit on your lap, Mama.
Wow.
Pretty.
That one stayed on the middle.
Look, that was fun.
Yeah. Hi, baby.
Hi. This will keep you away from the bugs.
Oh, the smoke.
Hi, Mama.
will
Hi,
help.
baby. How are you?
Mama.
Yeah.
It was a fun day with Daddy.
Okay, what?
I hope some popcorn comes.
Ooh.
Whoa.
One. Last time there was five.
No, there's two.
Alright, watch out for the sky.
You gonna shoot a bigger one off.
Ooh, watch Daddy.
Ooh.
Watch Daddy. Daddy's got a big one.
Way back. Watch, right? Up in the sky. Watch.
I'll go get your bowl in just a minute. I'll go get it in just a second. Let's watch Daddy real quick. Watch Daddy. Watch Daddy. Baby. Oh,
Get ready.
I'll get your bubble in just a minute. Let's
Watch.
watch Daddy.
Watch, sweetie. Look at. Kate's got a big one.
Baby.
We can't get in until after this one goes off.
I'll go get your bubble in just a second. Here, let's watch Daddy try to get this light.
Well, look at. There goes.
There you go.
Oh, here we go.
Watch in the
Watch.
sky now.
Watch. Watch this one. Watch what happens. Oh.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Cool.
That was cool.
One for like $2.50.
Yeah, that's not
That
bad.
was a good one, huh?
How much was that one?
$2.50.
Wow.
That wasn't bad. Get a nice big bang right off the bat.
If you're not going to sit in the white chair, put it back over here. Okay. Just put it right back. Yeah. Okay. Don't you want to sit here by me? All right, that's fine. Sit there. Sit there. No. Sit there. No. Sit here. Here. Mama's getting your bobo, honey. Mommy's getting it. Mama's coming right out with it, honey. There it goes. Wow. I want to move that bottle, Robert.
That's Mommy. Bobo.
Should use that side all the time.
Here goes.
The bottle's right in front of it.
So,
It's blocking it. We can't see it.
Okay, I'll turn your way.
Thank you.
Flipped it over on the Capitol 4th of July. And there's Dolly Parton dressed up in this red, white, and blue outfit
Oh,
with his little pillbox hat. Looks kind of nice.
I think they were doing a Dollywood thing too on Travel Channel today. Every hour show is about a different place. There goes.
Here goes. Here goes.
Ooh, pretty. Oh wow, a whole bunch
Oh,
of
that's that
them.
nutty monkey.
that's a Tasmanian devil.
Tasmanian devil, that's what it was.
Ah,
Mommy,
It was one of those ones that we liked last week.
yeah.
Mommy,
What, honey?
this is the best night ever.
Yeah. Even better than last week?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We never got that popcorn.
No, that was
So
for
we were
tonight.
saving it for tonight.
There it goes.
It is better at night.
Oh yeah. monkey and cool were good ones.
Run, Mommy! Run! Robert!
Boom! For the big one.
Robert! Where are you?
He's out there, hush.
Why didn't you answer me, Robert?
He's busy.
He's busy.
Just quiet.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
Daddy's
Here
busy,
goes
baby. Daddy's busy, baby.
Here it goes.
Yeah, we'll get your blanket in just a little bit.
That's a good one.
That was cool. Which one was that one?
Sammy, can you go in and get
With
Rachel
the
a
balls
blanket?
on the side.
Yeah. Is that one ball going?
No, I'm too hot for that.
Oh, okay. No,
Wait, no, Sam.
No,
I am too hot.
okay.
Mommy's gonna get overheated if that happens.
No, okay.
She's okay.
Wow, Mommy. This is cool. I got to stay. I really like this because I got to stay up.
If you don't behave, you're going in the house. You go to bed. All by yourself.
Well, I hear a breeze coming to the breeze, to the trees.
Yeah, too bad it's not hitting us.
Yeah. There goes.
Yeah, probably two.
It looks like it's about to die out. It started up again.
The other one didn't go?
They didn't have a chance to light it.
They're about the same.
He's trying to get them both
Yeah.
at the same time.
There it goes. Boy, they're done with their fireworks over there already? They didn't have a whole lot.
You buy those big ones at $2.50 a shot. Yeah.
It's really dark.
What, baby? What, baby?
How can you be getting cold?
You're not cold.
Ooh, wow. That was quick, huh?
Is that cool?
I'm not surprised at how I didn't get too close.
What?
I feel my legs.
Oh, you're not getting cold.
The
You're
cops.
getting cold, you're sick, then you're going in and going to bed.
I'm not sick.
Then be quiet and watch. Don't tell me you're cold.
Very nice. You don't have to worry about the cops getting you.
Yeah. Cool.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's why you don't want to stand close.
She had the bucket of water down there.
Yeah.
He's alright.
We wait all day to do this.
There it goes. Ooh, spinner.
Ah,
Green.
that's a pretty good one.
Is that a propeller that actually worked?
Yeah. The one I did before that was the same thing, but I think I hit it upside down. So I did-
Uh,
Wow, Mommy, I can whistle just like you.
You can.
Like this.
Yeah.
You're getting there.
Yay!
Little more, and you'll be able to whistle that way too. But watch, here it goes.
Your hand down, close your eyes.
To start clapping when it's done. Okay, Mama?
Okay.
Okay.
It's like a spitter.
Yay!
Ooh, that sounds like a firework.
Well, Mommy, let's
Yeah.
go.
Well, no, only whistle at the good, real good ones. Because Rachel's trying to sleep. Okay, and if Rachel goes to sleep, we don't whistle.
Just stay right.
Just watch.
Okay, get ready. Here goes.
It's okay.
Yay!
Got like 50 of these things left, right?
Come. Mommy, this small one. Mommy, you got bubble.
Yes,
I
you
go
got your bobo. Can I have kisses?
Maybe the popcorn will be the best one, then we'll whistle.
When we're done, okay? It's too hot right now.
Two.
How hot you are, baby.
Here goes.
Pretty.
Yay!
Yay! What are
Here's the
those
one
ones
that
called?
turns into a house.
What?
Alright.
This one here turns into a house when it's done.
Oh, cool.
This one
Yeah, we ain't
goes
got time
to
for
the
all those
house.
little things.
Turns
Does
into
it?
a house.
Bring to a house.
Chinese house.
Here it goes. Watch, Sam. Uh-oh. Did it
That's-
fizzle out?
That's
Saw a puff of smoke.
just like a butthead, Mama.
It's what?
That's just like a butthead.
Yeah.
That's just like Papa.
Ah, that's too bad. That would have been this one.
What? You're wearing slippers? Ow.
Set the house on fire, man. Right
That's
here.
very funny, Mom.
Robert?
Huh?
Set the whole house on fire with that thing. It'll hit it eventually.
Robert!
Sam, shut up.
Robert.
Sam, I said be quiet. Right now.
Can I have kisses?
Here goes.
Here it goes.
Stop, Here goes Rachel.
Whoa.
Wonder why they shoot down instead of up.
Yay!
Another one.
Yeah, well, why they shoot down? Well, that's what it's probably what it's supposed to do.
That was better.
Just put that house, burn the whole damn thing. It'll go.
Mom, that's
No,
our
fuse off down,
house.
so.
No, but burn the house itself. It's bound to hit something. Just paper, ain't it?
Sam, be quiet
Tell
right
her
now.
what? Just
Start on fire. The whole thing on fire with the doohickey, and run.
Why don't you go down there and do it?
Well, it's either all gonna go up boom or it's gonna go.
Let's try it again.
Give it a minute.
That's just like a butthead.
Man, that'll breeze will come.
Sam, stop.
Sam, stop it. When you keep it up, you're going in the house. Not telling me again.
I could blow up one time, so I wouldn't get too cooked.
Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. Take your baby.
So all of a sudden now you gotta
You're
breathe.
the one who's going to be the butthead. Just be quiet.
What, baby? What, baby? What? Don't talk with your bubble in your mouth. I can't understand you. Oh, pretty.
Ooh,
Another one of the Tasmanian devils.
the other one he had was better.
I like that nutty monkey.
Yeah. Was that the one he had like 5 different things in it?
Yeah.
Oh, and that other one, cool. The one they were saying was cool.
Yeah.
Was that the Nutty Monkey or was that what it's
No,
called?
that was what it was called.
Cool?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
of July's at Elaine's. Robert was under my chair. Carl was under my mother-in-law's chair.
When they were little.
Yeah.
Now look where I'm at.
Yeah. Dangerous.
When
Ooh.
Ooh,
know what,
pretty.
Wendy?
What?
me and Mommy watched Stuart Little too.
Oh.
You missed it.
That was cute. I taped it.
I haven't even seen the first one yet.
I haven't either. Well, no, I take that back. I did once. I'd like to see it again. I'd like to either tape it or get it on tape.
That's louder than my whistle.
Yeah.
He's trying to do them both at the same time and getting light right.
It's getting tiring out here.
Well, get to the big stuff then.
That's the coolest one.
Yeah.
You can always shoot the little stuff off another day. Let's go to the big, just spit the bigger stuff.
Wow.
The little spinner stuff and that you can shoot any time off those.
Yeah, we'll have to wait till you guys come out to do it because Sam, quiet. He's too slow up there. He couldn't move fast enough.
Mommy, watch.
Watch, Sam, watch. Okay.
Yay! Wow, that's the coolest one.
Damn mosquitoes are starting to get.
Okay, here's a big one, Sam.
I wonder what I could
Watch.
do.
Watch, here's a big one.
Ah, that'll go.
It's okay. Rachel, it's fine. You missed it.
We get to see fireworks at my house. It's better than a fireworks show.
Yeah, that's what it is. Fireworks
Here's
show.
the screaming meanie.
Okay, sit down.
Screaming
Sit down. Watch this one. You might have to cover your ears for this one.
You want to turn on so you can see?
It's a big one. Here we go.
It's a big one, Sam.
There you go. There you go.
Wow.
Better not be all of it.
Oh,
yeah. That's going on for a while.
Should be pretty good size.
Yeah, I'll just cover all this other one here.
Boom.
Cool. Yay.
Mommy,
What, baby?
that feeling, that almost scared
That
me
was really
like
cool.
lightning.
Oh no.
Mommy,
That's
What,
why you're
baby?
back here and Uncle Robert's way out there.
Cool.
And if you look up in the sky, you see all the stars. I see the Big Dipper.
where?
Right
Right there?
No, come here, I'll show you.
I see a big.
Follow my fingers.
I see a
the
big
handle
dip.
come down, and it comes over, and then up, and then back. See it right there? Looks like a
That's
big...
the slippery song.
Yeah.
Wendy, we
That's about all those
That's
do. Yeah.
worse.
It's a what?
That's about all those do.
Robert, that's the worst one.
Oh, no, it wasn't. Worst one was the one that didn't light. The house one, he said, that didn't go off at all.
No.
But the house one was gonna land right.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Daddy.
That one make Daddy run.
Look over in back of us over here to your right, Wendy.
It comes through
Someone's
trees.
doing a punch.
That
Look at, see over there?
probably steel though.
That could be steel though.
Ooh, pretty.
Wow. That's another town doing their fireworks, honey.
Don't be scared. What are you scared of?
We can't even see them.
What, baby?
No, that's fireworks. That's another town. That's another town doing their fireworks. Yeah, that's their big finale, big finish. Was St. James gonna have anything?
The vet's home was. What, baby? We're gonna be done soon, okay? There it goes. What are you scared of? It's okay. Where's the moon? Where's the moon? Where's the stars? You see all the stars?
Yeah, I even see the Little Dipper. Now it's over here.
Pretty. We're not done yet.
Why? Because I'm not going to eat the popcorn one.
Yay!
That's just one to go home yet. Here, look, Daddy's got some more. Look at Daddy.
Okay, here it goes.
That's a big one.
Watch Daddy. Okay.
There it goes. Look at it, see it? The fireworks in front of you.
Oh.
Not in the sky, look down.
Pretty colors? Yeah. Colors?
That looks like
It's almost like a rainbow, huh?
Only we have rainbow that we can use.
Yeah, here somebody else has fireworks now.
Where?
Well, listen, I don't know where.
Well, since everybody's going to Raleigh, they gotta blow off some time.
Yeah.
Robert's not quick.
Oh, pretty.
Pink!
That's pretty, yeah. Yeah.
What was that one?
Nutty Monkey.
Another one? I like those.
Me too, Mommy.
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Well, like all
It's almost like a little firework showing itself.
Next year, I'll just have to get lots of nutty monkeys.
Yeah. There it goes.
Stick with just the big stuff next year.
The bigger stuff now. Robert's taping all this.
Here's your 16 shot.
That's funny, all the stuff they show on fireworks when they have a program on it, they show them how they make them, but they never show them
Now
how
watch
they
this
get
one. This one
the
here.
noise in it.
One.
Ooh.
That's just like pattern, Mama.
16.
That's
Still
just,
lit.
That's a good one.
that looks like a pattern.
I think
What
we
was
got
that one?
a 16 shot. I think we got a 25 in it. I think.
What was it called?
Repeater.
Oh, happy.
Yeah, happy something right here.
Watch the sky. Watch up in the sky.
Okay.
Good show, Robert. There it goes. Okay, watch the sky now.
Yeah, we stick with big stuff. Ooh.
Wow.
That's pretty.
Nice.
That was pretty.
$2.50 a shot. There should be something.
You gonna tell us the price of all of them?
Yeah.
Alright, we got 3 left.
All right.
Three left,
Okay.
and then the pop.
Yeah. Sit down and shut up and watch.
3 more.
Magical shots.
All right.
I think she finally passed out.
You see? Poor
She
baby.
didn't even jump on that last one.
Oh. Oh, wow. That's pretty. Oh. That's neat.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's a
Too.
neat
Do
one.
you like that better?
Oh,
Whoa.
yeah.
Cool.
That's one of those. I wonder if it's done yet.
It was bright enough to put the light out.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, knock my yard light out.
we better get a whole lot so we
Yeah,
can
huh.
do more and more
I'll come
and
back
more
on.
the whole night.
What was that one called?
Some magical shots.
That was a good one.
You know on next, the popcorn one or the about the other day?
There's
Ah,
only
either
one
one,
more
surprises.
left, Robert.
It's supposed to be a finale, so.
You mean 2?
Yeah, two
There's
more.
2 more, including the popcorn.
Quiet and watch.
Just the popcorn?
Surprise.
Just watch, Sam.
Mommy, it keeps my eyes open for very long.
That's cool.
Blue in there even. ACB, you know, blue is the hardest color for them to make. Wow, that's a good sparkle. Pretty.
Maybe second season. Looking at fireworks.
What's that? Is that neat?
Techniques.
It's like a big firecracker, spark burn.
Did I count it?
Very wide.
Jeez, keep your eyes open for your guys. Good. I don't like it.
Does the backyard light come back on?
No.
That's funny.
Wow. Wow, these are a long
Oh, you
ones.
get your money's worth out of this one, Robert.
Yeah, better for $15.
Which one was this?
On Havana Nights.
There's blue again.
Well, $7.50 actually.
You say you paid half price, didn't you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty. Sam. Hi. Pick me up when it's done.
Really?
There goes Jen.
Yay!
That was a good one. Yay.
Very good. Lasts a long time. Had a lot of different things.
Now the light's
Yeah.
back on.
Yeah, I see. Can't believe that one was so bright.
Yeah.
Back. Turn the light off.
Pretty good. Like a flash of lightning.
Here's popcorn.
All right, this last
All right,
one.
here's
huh?
your popcorn.
There's your
Now sit
popcorn.
down.
Sit down
Last
and
one.
watch it go. Good show, Robert.
He's
Ooh,
pooped.
that is a big one.
He's pooped.
Is this the last?
Yeah.
Your daughter's asleep.
Or not a firecracker girl. Well, at least you'll get to see it on
Tape.
tape. Yeah. There it goes. Okay, Sam. Pull it now.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, wow.
Ooh, pretty.
It's one.
Yep, there you go. I fooled you.
Yay!